Welcome to this tutorial on how to track ACH transactions in Docyt. First, log into your Docyt account. Navigate to Expense Management in your Docyt dashboard. Find the ACH Transactions option by hovering over Accounts Payable. Click on ACH Transactions to view a list of all your ACH transactions. Hover your mouse over the processing status to view the current status of an ACH transaction. Click on any transaction row to open the Details window. Here, you can view the transaction status and its unique ACH transfer ID. Now, let's understand the two types of ACH transfers in Docyt: Standard ACH and Next Day ACH. Standard ACH transfers typically take 4-6 business days to process. This applies to transfers between Docyt accounts and from a Docyt account to a recipient bank account. For faster transfers, choose our Next Day transfer service. This service processes transfers within 2-4 business days. Please note an additional fee applies. To upgrade your service for faster transfers, contact our support team at support@docyt.com.